everyone. So whether you are hoping to become a mama or whether you're a mama or papa already and just need a little bit of extra calm in your life, I've got two great suggestions for those struggling with bad nerves, anxiety, stress, or tension, and that's with the help of magnesium. Now, to help combat stress naturally, magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a huge role in many bodily functions, including bone health, muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, as well as sleep quality. Now, two great sources for absorbing magnesium almost immediately are magnesium powder or magnesium calm. Now, I'm not like a sales rep or anything for any one of the products I suggest. I'm simply suggesting them because they have had a direct as well as positive impact to my own well-being. I too, like everyone, struggle with anxiety and nerves but Magnesium Calm is a supplement that you can simply mix with water. If you're feeling stressed or anxious or having, trouble sleeping, this mineral supplement is a great addition. Also, most people know this, but a simple chamomile tea or even tincture is also amazing for calming nerves. Now, magnesium floats or sensory deprivation tanks, if you haven't tried them, think of these floats as basically like meditation on steroids. Again, if you haven't heard about them, they are soundproof tanks filled with water mixed with high levels of Epsom salts. The water is heated to skin temperature, so it just helps your brain enter a deeply relaxed state. They also help in treating tension headaches, muscle tension and pain, and studies have actually shown that it can help reduce symptoms of depression, sleep issues, irritability, as well as fatigue. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you haven't tried either Magnesium Calm or the deprivation tanks, you are literally going to fall in love. Highly, highly recommend.